When your electronic device stops working, don't be so quick to throw it. There are some steps you can take to fix it. Step 1. Identify where is the problem. Step 2. Get replacement parts and tools. Make sure you work in a clean and well-lit area and follow the safety precautions. Step 3. Disassemble and keep track of all the parts and screws. Assess the damage and plan ahead. For this fix, we're using a soldering iron, a soldering paste, and an active soldering tin thread. Step 4. Start fixing. Here, we're soldering all the cables back together. Step 5. Check your work and put everything back together. And just like that, our extension cable was repaired successfully.